Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm not sure if I'm painting slower or the paintings are getting more complex, but I'm taking a much longer time to finish a piece. It's okay though, no complaints. I enjoy the process a lot more when I'm not in a rush, and this painting is one that I'm particularly fond of. I haven't painted a black and white landscape, or rather, in this case, black, white, and many shades of grey. Thus, I was quite inspired to start cracking on this piece. For this cityscape, I wanted something akin to a black and white photograph. The challenge with the monochrome painting is that it requires a certain level of realism for it to look refined. To compensate for that, I added a few little touches on the signboards to escape from reality. I love black and white photographs. They seem to touch us, to hold more resonance, and to be somehow truer to their subject than color images. Even though the first color photographs appeared in the middle of the 19th century, our enduring romance with black and white continues to this day. In a digital age where we can manipulate images to create literally any picture we want, we still hark back to photography's first incarnation, and black and white pictures are often seen as being more powerful. I was contemplating whether or not to blur the buildings in the background or keep the sharp edges, but since they weren't detailed with windows and such, I've decided to give it an out-of-focus background so that the attention is on the Wall Street themed signboards. Though it didn't look like it, but this artwork took more than 9 days to paint. 2 hours a day, as the whole landscape was painted with a fine round tip brush as I was trying to achieve a more polished and smoother finish. My only regret was that I should have taken a calligraphy class before writing over the signboards. Having said that, I hope you like this painting as much as I do. This piece is listed on Etsy, hence without further ado, let's begin.
Down on the west coast, they got a saying, if you're not drinking, then you're not playing. But you got the music in you, don't you? Down on the west coast, I get this feeling like it all could happen. That's why I'm leaving you for the moment, you for the moment. Pushing harder, pull away. I'm feeling hard and on fire. I guess that no one ever really made me feel that much higher. They say you got it, boy, it's you I desire. They got their icons, the silver starlets, the queens of Saigons, and you got the music, you got the music in you, don't you? Down on the west coast, they love their movies, their golden girls and rockin' more groupies, and you got the music, you got the music in you. Pushing harder, pull away. I'm feeling hard and on fire. I guess that I take, but I'm hoping at the gates they'll tell me that you're mine. Walking through the city streets, is it by mistake or design? I feel so alone on the Friday nights. Can you make it feel like home if I tell you you're mine? It's like I told you, honey, don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why, keep making me laugh. Let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on. Try to have fun in the meantime. Come take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You're like your cousin Slade. So choose your last words. This is the last time. 'Cause you and I, we were born to die. But now I am found. I can see, but once I was blind. I was so confused as a little child, trying to take what I could get, scared that I couldn't find all the answers, honey. Don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why, keep making me laugh. Let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on. Try to have fun in the meantime. Come and take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You're like your cousin Slade. So choose your last words. This is the last time. 'Cause you and I, we were born to die. We were born to die. We were born to die. Come take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You're like your cousin Slade. So don't make me sad, don't make me cry. Sometimes love is not enough and the road gets tough. I don't know why, keep making me laugh. Let's go get high. The road is long, we carry on. Try to have fun in the meantime. Come take a walk on the wild side. Let me kiss you hard in the pouring rain. You're like your cousin Slade. So choose your last words. This is the last time. 'Cause you and I, we were born to die. We were born to die.